Alrighty, friends. Why don't we go inside and see why it's clogging? Dry sense of humor, I know. Funny one. No wonder why YouTube doesn't like you. I don't care if YouTube doesn't like me. And you only have 288 subscribers in 12 years. Subscribers in 12 years? Hey, subscribe.
Your channel's terrible.
How not to plumb things. So I will let you go and let you see where the mistake is. Can you see the mistake? That water has to flow in, hit that T, back up, come down here, go through this back water valve, and then out. So I think the clog is sitting here, being slowed down by there. Okay, we got the back water valve open. Jammed up right there. So everything is being caused by that being facing the wrong way. Pull the clog out of there. See how it's taking the form of the pipe. Just kick that off for now and put it back on. Everything's gone through. We keep New Hampshire flowing. Someone's got to repair that. All right. I hope you learned something and see why it's important to have plumbing fixtures put in the right way. We'll see you out on the next call.
We keep New Hampshire flowing.
That's my line. Stop stealing it.
YouTube still doesn't like you.